Let's leap right into the countdown of the top 5 Rolex watch investments. Kicking off our countdown at spot number 5, we discover the luxurious and highly sought-after Rolex Submariner. This isn't just any Submariner, however. This is the reference 116610LV, famously known as the Hulk amongst watch enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. The nickname the Hulk isn't just for show, as this watch boasts a sturdy, masculine design, perfectly embodying the spirit of its namesake. It's a timepiece that demands respect and admiration. The Rolex Submariner, reference 116610LV, the Hulk, is currently valued at around the $18,000 mark. This hefty price tag may sound steep, but considering the prestige and reputation of the Rolex brand, it's a worthy investment. Rolex is an icon in the world of horology, renowned for its high-quality craftsmanship and timeless design. The Submariner series, in particular, has consistently been a favorite among the masses for its durability and elegance. As we dive deeper into the details, the investment potential of this timepiece becomes even more apparent. It's not just about the brand name or the design, it's also about the potential for appreciation. This potential is rooted in its iconic status and the current market trends. The Rolex Submariner, reference 116610LV, the Hulk, proves to be more than just a status symbol. It's a smart investment for the future. Coming in at number 4, we have the Rolex GMT-Master II, reference 126710BLRO, Pepsi Bezel. A distinct and outstanding masterpiece of horology, this exquisite timepiece carries its nickname because of its blue and red bezel, which is reminiscent of the globally recognized Pepsi logo. The reference 126710BLRO is a specifically unique model, embodying both style and functionality. It's a perfect pick for globetrotters. Crafted with a 40mm stainless steel case, the watch also boasts a 2-color Cerachrom insert in red and blue ceramic, giving it a robust and vibrant appeal. Under the case, it features a self-winding mechanical movement for precise timekeeping. The GMT function, which shows a second time zone, is what makes this watch truly unique. This magnificent timepiece is waterproof to a depth of 100 meters, and its scratch-resistant sapphire crystal ensures durability. The Rolex GMT-Master II is enhanced with an oyster steel bracelet, ensuring comfort coupled with a timeless glamour. Currently priced around $20,000, this watch is not just a timepiece, but a piece of history that has piqued the interest of collectors worldwide. Its price is justified by its quality, design, and the brand's reputation for creating luxurious watches that are built to last. Taking the third spot on our list is the Rolex Daytona, reference 116500LN Stainless Steel. Known globally as a symbol of luxury and high status, this timepiece is the epitome of horological excellence. Its sleek design, coupled with a stainless steel body, makes it a standout in any setting, whether it's a high-powered boardroom or a sophisticated dinner party. Rolex, a renowned Swiss watchmaker, has been producing the Daytona line since 1963. Over the years, it has perfected the art of crafting timeless watches that embody both style and functionality. The Daytona 116500LN is an excellent example of Rolex's mastery of watchmaking. It's not just a watch, it's an investment in style, reliability, and history. The Daytona 116500LN boasts a tachymetric scale, a chronograph, and an automatic movement, features that are prized among watch enthusiasts. It is crafted with a meticulous attention to detail, which is visible in its intricate design. Aesthetically pleasing, it has a balanced dial that offers clear readability while ensuring its iconic elegance. Moreover, the Daytona 116500LN has a rich racing heritage. Since its inception, it has been associated with the world of motorsports. The Daytona name itself is a homage to the famous Daytona International Speedway in Florida. This connection with racing has only added to its allure, making it a must-have for both watch collectors and racing enthusiasts. Its demand on the market is sky-high, mainly due to its timeless design, superior functionality, and enduring legacy. But its limited availability has made it even more coveted. This exquisite timepiece currently commands a price of approximately $30,000. What makes it a worthy investment is its rich racing heritage and the high demand it enjoys in the market. Runner-up for the top spot, Rolex Day-Date. Reference 228238, 18K yellow gold. Rolex, a brand synonymous with luxury, elegance, and prestige, has been making waves in the watch industry for decades. Its reputation precedes it, and its models are highly sought after by enthusiasts and collectors alike. The Day-Date model in particular is a revered classic. With its 18K yellow gold construction, it's not just a timepiece but also a statement piece. It's intricately crafted, with precise attention to detail that reflects the brand's commitment to excellence. Currently valued at around $35,000, it's not just the price tag that commands respect. Its value is also derived from its rich history and the mastery of craftsmanship it represents. This is a timepiece that doesn't just tell time, it tells a story. It represents an investment, a status symbol, and is fiercely pursued by collectors. The Rolex Day-Date is indeed a representation of opulence that transcends time. And finally, emerging as the undisputed champion in the realm of luxury timepieces, we have the Rolex Newman Daytona, a vintage marvel with the reference number 6239. This isn't just an ordinary timepiece. It is a symbol of refined taste, deep pockets, and a penchant for the extraordinary. Starting with a staggering base price of $200,000, this watch is not merely a style statement or a wrist accessory. This unique timepiece is a prized possession for numerous reasons that extend beyond its price tag. Its real charm lies in its rarity, its historical value, and the story it carries within its meticulously crafted mechanics. The Rolex Newman Daytona is more than just a watch. It's a piece of history that whispers tales of the past every time it ticks. This watch has not just mesmerized watch connoisseurs, but has also managed to break records at auctions around the globe. With a starting price of $200,000, this watch is a prized possession not just for its rarity and historical value, but also for its record-breaking auction prices, making it a watch with extraordinary investment potential. In conclusion, we've extensively analyzed the top 5 Rolex watch investments in this insightful video. The overall Rolex market is clearly in a period of prosperity, a promising sign for collectors and investors alike. Rolex, a prestigious Swiss luxury watchmaker, is renowned for its timeless designs, unmatched quality, and perpetual innovation. Each watch we've reviewed today is a piece of art, an epitome of meticulous craftsmanship and precision engineering. From the sporty Daytona to the timeless Submariner, from the classy Datejust to the bold Explorer, and the elegant GMT-Master, these Rolex watches have consistently shown potential for significant appreciation over the years. As the popularity of these watches continues to grow in the global market, their value is likely to escalate even further. We hope this video has been informative and given you some food for thought for your future investments. Your opinions and insights are invaluable to us. So remember to hit the like button if you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content, and don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts or ask any questions. Thank you for watching.